All right, guys, the 16 Plus is here. We're going to unbox it. Just a quick video. I've been out of town, so I'm a little late on the 16 Plus videos that I'm going to drop, but we got a ton of content coming. Hit that like, drop a sub. Let's check out the 16 Plus. We got the 15 Plus right here. Just a quick comparison. Not going to do too much in this video, guys. Follow me on all social media platforms. Again, hit that like, drop a sub. Let's check out the Ultramarine, I think that's the name of it, 16 Plus. So we all know that, unboxings, they're just not what they used to be. Things are different now. We used to get all kinds of fun stuff. We used to get that cool peel when we did an unboxing. Times have changed, but we still, I still dig it. I still like it. Look at that color. Talk about vibrant. It's a nice looking color right there compared to what we had last year. Now, mind you, this is blue. This is what Apple called blue last year. And now we got this color. This is blue. This is what I'm talking about. Now, of course, the only thing in here is USB-C. That is a braided USB-C to USB-C, so that's always cool. And then, of course, do we even get Apple stickers anymore? Do we not get Apple stickers anymore? That would be a sad, sad thing. I don't think we get Apple stickers anymore. Nope. They even skimped out on a 3-cent Apple sticker. What a shame. But, of course, this is what we're here for. That's a nice matte finish on here. The peel, of course. Look at that new button on the side. Very nice, very nice. That's a nice color. That is a beautiful color. Now, of course, a lot of similarities between these phones. So if you have the 15 Plus, I already made a video, but of course I do have comparisons coming. If you have this phone, you're not going to need this phone. Cameras are going to be basically the same. Battery life should be the same. This is already a beast. This should be a beast as well. You're going to have the new camera button on here, but does anybody really care about that? I don't think I would. Another difference is a little bit more RAM in here, I believe. Of course, the new chip, the A18, and we get the action button, where on here we have the old tried and true mute switch from Apple, but bonjour. But from the front, they're going to look identical, exactly the same. Of course, size-wise, they're going to be the same size screen. They do say, I think they said that the bezel on this is slightly smaller, but I don't see it. You guys tell me if the bezels look the same or if it looks a little bit, maybe it does look a little smaller on here, but not much. Still a beautiful display on the 15 Plus. But just a quick unboxing on here. Now the camera lens on here, so a different shade of blue when we get that lens. The matte finish on here. I love this color. Let me know what you think of this color. It does look very nice in the hand. This button, it is tactile, and you can see there is a little bit of an animation there when you do push on that button, so that's kind of cool. And of course, the rest of the buttons, the power button here, the action button, the volume up and down, and then the beautiful display on here on the bottom, USB-C 2, still same as on the 15 Plus. Another reason why you don't really need to upgrade, of course. We'll see if the speakers are the same, but again, the 15 Plus is such a great device. If you have that, no need to upgrade to this. But let's set this up, see what we got. All right, guys, so in the middle of the setup, we are just looking at some of the things it does show you that are different when you set up the new iPhone. So, of course, now the Plus does include the action button. So you can go in and customize it right off the bat. But again, I'll do this later on in settings. I don't want to do that in this video, but you can go in and customize the action button. Right now, it's just set to silent mode out of the box. If we wanted to customize it, you can see silent your camera. You can do it to recognize music and find out what song is playing. So you can automatically set that action button to just, automatically start Shazam and tell you what music you are listening to. The magnifier, does anybody even use that? I don't know. Shortcuts is always cool. You can always add a shortcut or just completely no action. For now, we'll just leave it on silent. The camera control button, you can go in and do that. Click the camera control to open a camera app, then click again to use the camera control as a shutter. Then, of course, we will test that out. Welcome to the iPhone. So as you can see, I'm going to set up all this stuff later on. We don't want to add this stuff. We don't want to set up that yet. And what is this? Allow wallet to use allow while using the app. Sure. So this is how it looks. I just transferred over my apps. Of course, I do want to customize it. Go in, play with the phone a little bit, and then go from there. Just a quick unboxing and a quick initial little setup at the iPhone 16 Plus. Love the color. Let me know what you guys think of the color. A ton of content coming on this device, guys. A ton. We're talking about comparisons against the 16 Plus versus the 15 Plus versus the Pro Max versus some Android devices. Of course, the 16 Pro Max, I was late to order that, so that is still not going to be in my hands anyway for a few weeks. Hopefully it will arrive sooner, but for now, a ton of content. I can't even speak. A ton of content coming on the 16 Plus. So if you're not subscribed, guys, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for all the videos I have coming on the new iPhones. Peace.